Hello, students. Right now, I'm going to talk about Green Tree Landscape Company. So the first step is the same as the other companies. You need to, right, students, you need to accept my invitation, okay? And then scroll down a little bit. In this email, I specified that the company name is Green Tree Landscape, okay? So let's accept the invitation. All right, since we already registered the Intuit student account, so you can either go there by clicking this hyperlink Intuit account to sign into the QuickBooks, or you can enter your email address here, sign in, and enter the password. Okay. If students who watch this video before QBO practice video, you are not sure how to register the account, please go back to QBO practice video and watch the steps to register the student account. All right, now we are back to the same screen we've seen before at the QBO practice video. Okay, so this step is the same. What we need to do is to click create a new company and wait for its loading. Right, so it shows up the same get started page as we already encountered at the QBO practice registration video, right? They are the same. So we click next. Now we are at this screen again. Okay, it's called Choose Your Company. But in our case, what we needed to do, which is the same as other videos, we needed to go to the bottom and create a new company. Let's click that. Right, and it's loading. Right, so we are back to the same screen we've seen from other videos. Okay, and click next. Right, what is your business name? This is always the first question, right? So I already put it here, Green Tree Landscape. Same at here that we do not really migrate data from desktop to online version, so we leave this blank and click next. Then what is your industry? I would recommend students to choose any manufacturing industry, right? We just choose the first one, okay? Then click next. Okay. For the purpose of our course, I will choose corporation. Then we click next. Well, you can also choose I'm not sure, then later on you can decide it by yourself, right? It's not a big deal. So we choose next. And remember, we always choose bookkeeper or accountant. Right, so who works for this business? Okay, so we need to choose employees, plan to hire in the future, contractors, a few partners and owners, and how many employees work here? Well, we just choose anything more than one, right? So just for the sake of this course, we choose 2549. We will never have that many employees in any of your assignments or practice or exams, but we just choose that, for the backup. Then we click next. Okay. Does the bookkeeper help with your books? No. Remember, you are the bookkeeper and accountant. So we click next. So what do you want to do in QuickBooks? Okay, we want everything because we're learning how to use QuickBooks. So we choose everything. Then we click next. Right. So what should we do first? Let's choose track receipts and expenses and click next. Right. And we do not want to link our accounts and save it well because it's just for the class, right? I don't want you to link your bank or credit card or anything like that. So we just skip for now. So how do you track your receipts today? Well, ideally this is better, but nowadays most people will choose digitally, eh? Save trees. Then we click the next. Right. Then, well, this page is a reminder for students or for any users that you can download the mobile QuickBooks app on your phone. Okay, so you can get that from Apple Store or Google Play, and that's your choice. Okay? If you have your phone and you type in QuickBooks Online, then you will see it right away. Pretty straightforward. You can scan the QR code and then start to download the mobile app. Then we click next. Now we are going to start our Green Tree Landscape Company QBO file. Voila. See, here is the Green Tree Landscape Company. And as always, when you start a new company, QBO will give you a quick tour of your home page. So let's just do a quick tour, right? So choose your widgets and the layout, and this can customize the information you want to see on this home page. Then set up your QuickBooks account, right? Link, organize expense, things like that, and jump into actions. This shortcuts section is really useful. It can quickly bring you to these functions that usually when people use QBO, they do that on a daily basis. Then your business at a glance, how much money you have at any time in a given day, right? How much you make, how much expenses. These are particularly useful for business owners. Right, so that's the Green Tree Landscape. Students, are you ready for your assignments? All right, students, now we need to take a look at the place that you can find your assignments, Green Tree Landscape. Okay, so this is our home page. Then let's go to Content tab again. Right, at the left-hand pane, scroll down to the bottom. Right, before, like above the projects, there's a module called Assignments. So let's click that. And in this module, as you can see, I posted all the material that for you to do the assignments. So you can see, I would highly recommend students to read the background. Okay, we needed to know the business before we actually observe the business and help the business. And it also gives you the requirements for you to complete this assignment. Okay, so students, good luck with your assignments. I also wanted to remind the students that for this assignment, you do not need to You do not need to submit any documents or anything. You just need to work on your QBO account. Then I can check from my end. But I would appreciate, students, if you can send me an email and tell me that I finished. For example, I finished banking, I finished chart of accounts, things like that. Then I will know, oh, so I should check these parts. So I should give students marks based on the work the students completed up to that date. Okay. So good luck with your assignments.